Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sophie Plays YT, and we are playing Don't Press the Button 1 with Draft, guys. Yes. Material Girl. We're Draft. What the heck are you doing?
I'm the most favorite one.
Let's get right into the video.
Yeah,
I know. Boom, boom. Oh, boing.
I have 4,000.
Boing, boing. They don't.
I'm so good.
You don't have 4,000.
I'm so good at the game.
Now,
You don't know me, son.
annoying.
I have 10.
Annoying.
I have 11.
I have 8. Smack them on the head.
I won.
Dang it. I got a teddy bear. Can we be friends?
I love you.
I love you. 8%. What the?
I like dogs.
It's a train.
I like trains.
I know.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
They see me roll.
Do not fall. Squiggle.
Guys, I'm about to fall.
Almost fell. Ooh. Me.
I fell because of so.
Well, I didn't fall because of you. Yay!
Oh, your fault.
Let's press it. Don't touch the spikes.
Okay.
Stand still. Oh my gosh, I did it. Yay. Bombs are falling from the sky. Push them away. Push.
I'm gonna make one of you guys die. We can push each other off.
Push. No, we can't. We can only push the balls. Hey, yo, what? Balls? Boing. Push this off! Yay! We won, guys.
You guys.
I love you.
I like to win with you. Rubber ducky. Ooh, try walking the correct path to the end.
Come here, guys.
This one? This one?
Ah!
This one?
Ah!
This one?
Ah!
This one? Over the other correct? Okay. This one? No!
5 something, please.
Oh. It's red!
Ah!
No, what is it? Oh, this one. Yay!
You did the coins.
It did. What? Oh my god, what is this? Bowling balls! Hey yo, press R. Ah! We're alive! Oh no.
We're gonna die. We're not gonna be alive.
Yes. That's so be on the... Stand on the button.
Move, bitch. Oh, there's the thing.
No.
Ah!
My hair! Balls.
Baby, bow.
Hey, get out of here.
Bow.
I press the button. Let's cross the road.
Oh my god.
No! Oh. No, I'm spectating. You gonna die. And then I.
I'm the only one.
Oh. What? I learned this. What the heck?
I made it.
No! No! Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. It's only the three of us. Standard. Stranded. Find logs to make a bridge. Okay. Ooh, I got a log. Oh. We only got one at a time. That's stupid.
Hurry up, guys. Movement.
Wait, can we go grab this one?
Hey, retard. We can't go yet. We can't go, dummy. Why are we doing more work? Sophia thinks we're doing all the work.
Yeah, his stomach doesn't even know.
63.
This person doesn't want to help us. Let's just.
Go get more logs. We need one.
This guy doesn't even want to help us. Messi sucks. Ronaldo is better. I got another log. Don't hit me with that.
Get one more.
No, two more.
One more.
Two more.
One more.
Two?
Yeah, right. Okay.
Where I go?
Ah,
Stop. Respawn.
Come back. Come on.
7, 6, 5. Yay! The adventure continues. Yay! Button. I clicked it. There it is.
I like dancing.
I like trains. I press the button.
Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay. What ingredients does he need?
He needs eggs. I got the eggs. I got eggs.
I'm
There
good
you
at
go, Mr.
all
Chef.
these.
We got 44 seconds remaining, guys.
I got the sugar.
I'm good at milk. I got the milk.
Yes.
Woo! He's gonna make it. He's gonna try it.
Ooh, smoke. Ew.
I'm not trying that.
Yay! We made a delicious cake. It's not poisonous. I clicked it.
Speedrun!
Boing, boing, a boing, boing. Put up. Whee! Okay, I'm gonna wait for you at the end. Leon Messi is gonna come here. Oh, he's behind me. Come on! I'm first! Wait, what? Again? Yeah. No! I died! I died! 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 8.
Teeth, RX.
No! I fell to my left.
Sucker!
Ooh, sucker. What?
Yay!
Yeah, then no one Messi sucks.
Well, no, that Sophia plays YT was not English.
Get on the green platform, quick.
Wait, what happens if you
Where's
stay in the button?
lava?
I clicked the button.
Ah!
Wow, you guys died.
Yeah,
You guys are bad.
oh, Messi is bad. What's
Oh, my red team!
I'm a blue.
How is this fair?
Go, go. Ah. I'll help you.
Help me.
I'll follow.
Push it in this goal.
Ah. Come on.
Alright, that's how we can make our team because we're a team.
Yay!
Get the most teams goal. Oh, I gotta push it in. Oh, no. This is my goal. I gotta push it in my goal.
Yay! We're gonna do this, Leonie Messi. No.
Teammate. Forward moving.
No! Go on the other side. I wanna go in the hole. Whee! I went in the hole. Yay, I scored. Scored. Yay! 2-2.
Get 4 points. 3.
Come on, Leonie Messi. Okay, I'm gonna go help. Woo! Woohoo! I win!
I'm just looking.
Right. Oh, it's this again.
Run!
Hey, it's balls. Ayo, ayo, pause or?
Ah! I got deleted.
Delete.
Guys, if you're gonna see another textbook video, let's say
See? No.
yes.
No. So let's push him off.
Push me. Wait, Messi. Yeah, stay by Messi.
You can't push him off.
Come on. Why does Messi have a mustache? Why does Messi have a mustache?
Wait. Draft. Sorry guys, that's not his real name. Draft, look. Your arm. Your arm.
What?
Look. Your arm.
That's your arm, not mine.
No, that's your arm.
What the fuck is that?
What the heck?
Me!
Woo! Jump! Whee!
I'm first! I know how to jump clouds. What the fuck? I'm first. You guys are bad.
Your Lionel Messi is doo-doo.
I'm in first round.
I'm second.
I'm just gonna wait up here.
No!
Ah! I was first. I'm ready to see this clown. Woohoo!
No, I did not. I did.
I was the highest though. Is that I was the highest?
I clicked the button. You can't stand on anything, so good luck. No one won.
No one cares. No one cares.
No one cares. Yeah, no one cares.
Guys, I say hold on, let's see.
A mystery lever? Pull it.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Uh-oh.
You stupid motherfuckers. Ah!
Wait, what? There's no people here? No, it's just us. What the heck? Look at Hey! Wait, Draft is a noob!
Guys, whoever say that name, that's not my name. That's not
I
my
know,
name.
I know.
That's- my name's James Charles. I'm joking. My name's
A lever is hiding somewhere in
My
the
name
bushes.
is Kiwi. I'm my respawner.
What the?
I found the lever.
We found a letter. Hey, Draft is a noob.
I'm opening the secret chest.
Draft is a noob.
I'm opening the secret chest.
I am.
The whole Messi is about to open the fucking secret chest. No! Stop!
Yeah, the monkey goofy.
Bah.
Open.
How do I get this?
Yay!
How do I get the super
Queen. Set your character. There you go. I pressed the button. Yay!
I'm gonna find dead!
No, I am.
Alright. And I'm gonna go.
Follow you.
No! No!
Hey, Leonie Messi is following us.
Leona Messi! Stop! Bye.
I'm going this way.
No.
Yee.
No.
Oh, dead end.
Zoot.
Dead end.
Fuck you, hold on, Messi.
I need a hug.
Fuck you, hold on, Messi. Ah, you lost all your hair.
Die again.
I got the button.
No, I clipped it. Oh, zombies are running from them. Run from them!
Why did Leona Messi already make it?
What the heck?
What the fuck, Leona Messi?
Wait, where are the zombies actually?
Only 2 survivors left.
Those survivors.
Oh, what the hell, Leona Messi? You're doing. Oh! He's a zombie!
The zombies win! What?
That was BS.
He was a zombie.
He was a zombie.
Find the correct bag.
No! Not that one.
What?
Fuck you, Leona Messi.
Get ready to throw ornaments at the tree.
What?
What?
Can I throw ornaments and my Terry's?
Put them in a.
How much does Messi have? I'm more than Messi. Messi, we have the same thing.
Why am I not gaining anything?
I'm at 90
Messi is already having like 22, 23, 24.
No one cares about Messi.
Yeah, Messi sucks. Messi sucks. Time's up.
I won. No, you didn't, bitch. Scream, motherfucker. Fuck you, Messi.
Shut up, monkey goofy eyes. Cut that haircut. Cut that haircut. Oh no. Yay! Nothing's gonna do that with that stick, Messi. Because Messi sucks. He should be turning into a noob. What?
I followed you. Somebody play my DC. You know.
No! No! Oh wait, I respond.
Because you were the one with the potato.
It's the same thing. Run away. Kill, draft. Kill, draft. Kill, draft.
Get pussy.
Kill, draft. Kill him.
Fuck you, hello, Messi.
Die.
Yay! Fuck you, hello, Messi.
Yay.
I just wouldn't.
Begin. Activate.
What the? That's not fair. I want to be a player.
Activate.
This is
Activate.
fake.
Activate. Activate.
Come on, Sophie, please, wait,
Activate. Yay! I win.
Yay. Time to be poop.
Rubber ducky. Noob. We're going to the noob's tongue. Wee.
What's happening? Are we getting digest?
And we're not gonna only play. Well, yeah, we're gonna play this game first, not other games. No! Poop, poop. What?
I play soccer again with Lionel Messi.
Ew.
You weren't even there with us.
No, because poop. I have poop on my head.
You didn't want to be shown by Lohana Messi. No, damn it! Fuck you, Lohana Messi.
Bro, are you fucking serious? Ass. Yes. You're not fun, bitch.
Aha,
Bitch.
Lohana Messi.
Ha! I gotta at least press the button.
Fuck you, Lohana Messi.
Right.
Aha, Lohana Messi. Come on, Lohana.
Just activate it.
No, I mean,
That's what I did.
Okay, fine.
Activate!
Come on,
Activate!
Lohana Messi.
Activate!
Fuck you, Lohana Messi.
You let him win.
Screw you. Your fault. Not your fault. Me?
I don't want to pull it.
Whoa, we're gonna get pulled again.
We're not. You already know what happened. What?
Me? Me? Fuck you, Lohana Messi. I'm going to Lohana Messi. Like I said, fuck you. No, I'm getting some sack again.
I fell! Shut up. You know I'm gonna stay down here and press the button because you guys don't deserve to press the button. Especially small finger. Time's up. Shut up. I don't care. I don't care about Lionel Messi. I care about the button. Yes, I clicked it. Yay! I have to spam the click button.
Fuck you, Lohana Messi. Ah, my finger's gonna break.
Okay. Yay! Who wins? No one.
I pressed the button for free.
Me. Ooh.
I'm scared. Good time. I'm really trust. No. I'm not going red. I'm going yellow. I'm going to go red. I'm going to go red if we all die. Go red. Yay. I'm going to yellow. Go, Lohana wants to go blue. Lohana wants to go blue. I don't trust yellow.
Great job. What's the right name?
Shut up, Sophie.
Hey.
Shut up, Sophia, please. Sophia, please.
Oh.
Shut up. I press the button. Yay. Yay!
Bro, Lionel Messi was
Stupid white mustache. Ah, you funny mother. There's no point of trying. Lohana Messi is already in front.
No, he's not.
Yes, he's on top already. Oh, he just fell. What's up, Lohana Messi? You know he has a gravity coin, probably? I don't care who wins. I don't care who nothing. I will. Cheater.
Yay! No,
Uh,
you didn't do anything.
Woo! Press the button.
Good for you. Yeah! Bulgar.
Oh, push people with Bogart.
Wait, push up. I don't know how to look this. No! What? Fuck you.
Piece of shit. It's not my fault I won.
It's my fault, but it's not my fault.
Lahana must leave. Lahana must leave the game. Everyone's getting so...
Oh my god, I'm a midget.
So is a big person coming. If a big person's coming, no. Oh, we're back home.
I press the button.
Go for it.
Oh no. Are you too sure?
I found it. Okay.
Okay. I think. Come on, the fire!
What?
Huh? Oh, draft. Sorry. I'm stupid.
What the fuck is going on?
Draft. Mission failed. Try again next time.
Guys, whoever said Sophie plays, she said, I think that's not my name. It's Kevin Charms. Woo!
What's the game?
Push the button!
Oh! No one wins.
My finger!
129 times.
Yay. Yay.
No, I pressed
I pressed it
Just stay in one spot. Yay! No! Lionel Messi. Fuck you.
This game's high.
Yes, finally! Hey. Fuck you, Lionel Messi.
F you, Lionel Messi. I hope I shoot you. Oh, girl. Aha, fuck you, Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi. Really? Oh, my
You're
God.
gonna lie. Screaming. Wait! We made it!
No, it's whoever can escape the game.
Ah.
Fuck all of that. I'm gonna push the button. Yay!
I pushed it.
No, I did.
What? E.
What?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah!
Let's go. The Honda Messi doesn't do anything. The Honda Messi, you suck dick. Alright, time for Oh, that's killing. I died right away. After you, Honda Messi, you should have told us.
Huh?
I'm not drinking Mr. Liquid.
I'm chubby!
Fat. You're fat.
I love you.
Yes!
Yay!
What? Dude. We're gonna win, you know that, right?
There you go. Come on, Honda Messi. I'm nice. I'm generous.
I know you can do it.
What the? Not bad.
Good. Yeah!
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is that?
Hey guys.
I have time.
Do 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 do.
Mm-hmm.
Dee 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 door.
Alright, guys, sorry for the interruption.
Yes. I'm good at this. I'm good at this. I'm good at this.
Good job.
Oh yeah, say that again. Say that again. Say that again.
Shut up. What'd you die?
That went right past me.
What's if you pick what you dies?